Hello, guys. This is our military tactics simulator designed to teach you a variety of tactics. So we will begin with the tactic Defeat in Detail. You can click on the button on the right to play the animation. This animation consists of soldiers concentrating on the left side of a beach after assembling out, and then they will concentrate on the right side and finish off the remaining 6 soldiers. Next, we will show another animation, Infiltration, which also contains some complex box 2D movement. And if you would like to rewatch an animation, you can when the play button reappears, you can click on it to replay the animation. And next we'll hear from John.
Looking at the UI, on the left side, you can see all of the tactic selection buttons, which let you switch between the tactics in the free play mode. And then each tactic has its own text description, history, and fun facts, which give a little description about the tactic. And once you go through all of those, you can take a quiz to test you on your knowledge, which Jetty can tell you about.
So each tactic has a different quiz. Each quiz has 4 questions, and each question has 4 choices. If we select the first choice, that's a wrong answer. So if you get a wrong answer, it highlights the text in red. And if you get the right one, which is the second choice, it will update the score in the top right. So we're going to complete this quiz. So fourth, first, and then third. If you complete the quiz, it tells you, and it also updates the main window UI to let you know. And now we're going to hear from Eric about quiz completion and the color theme.
Each quiz has its own theme and color scheme. The first tactics theme is Highway Through Grassland. The second tactics theme is Forest. The third tactics theme is On the Beach. The fourth tactics theme is Snowy Woodland. The fifth tactics theme is Fortress Siege. And the sixth tactics theme is Rocky Desert. When all quizzes are completed, the user unlocks free play mode. For this presentation, we hacked it to get to free play without completing all the quizzes.
So here we have free play mode. This is the additional mode we have once you've gone through just the normal mode. You can kind of use the knowledge that you've learned from the tactics to make your own sort of tactic. So as you can see on the bottom there, there's a place ally and place enemy tool. That's what you'll want to start with. So we'll place a couple allies in the middle, and then we'll just place a few enemies next to them. So as you can see, we have those. If you click the place enemy tool again, it will disable it, and then you'll just have no tool. If you click somewhere on the main window screen, nothing will happen. Soldiers are clickable. You can click on a soldier and you will see its ID, and there's a couple of options there. If you press the reset simulation, it will clear all soldiers and allow you to start again from a fresh state. And then you can also press the end free play button to go back to normal mode. And you can go to any of the tactics, any of the animations work fine. And if you want to, you can go back to free play mode anytime you want. And then if we place a couple enemies again, now we will have Matthew tell you about how the movement works.
Yeah, so let's place a couple allies down there in front of the red guys. So using Box 2D is kind of how the animations work, and then also how free play works. Basically, we're putting the soldiers in a world, and they're able to bounce off each other. So let's show some movement. So as you can see, we've selected soldier 3. We'll select its trajectory point and then click to where we want it to go. Let's select the next blue soldier. Let's put him behind that red guy, and then the last blue soldier. So you can select all the soldiers and tell them where you want them to go. It'll show you where you want them to move. And then when we click move soldiers, it causes the world to step forward and everyone to move to where you told them to go. So let's go ahead and do that now. As you can see, Box 2D allows us to cause the soldiers to bounce off of each other and kind of collide and handle that collision side of things. And if you click move soldiers again, they won't move because you haven't given them any orders. And then, yeah, so you can build your own animations. It's really cool. A lot of fun stuff you can do. Yeah, that's kind of how the free play mode works. You can build your own tactic with the knowledge you've learned from the previous stuff. So, yeah. And I think that's the end of our presentation. That's our program. So, yeah.